Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on this Raw Chemistry Revival Natural Face Moisturizer. So if you want to hear my thoughts on this, then keep watching. Alright, one, don't mind this. The sun is literally like right above my room right now. And two, if I look down at any point in this video, it's because I have some notes written down so I'm not rambling. Before I get into the review, I just want to let you know that Raw Chemistry had sent me their Revival Natural Face Moisturizer for free, and I'm not being paid to review it or anything like that. I don't have any affiliate code. They just sent this to me for free to review, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. Before I get into this review, I just want to give you guys a little background on the moisturizer. So it is made with all natural ingredients, and it nourishes, hydrates, and works fast to get your skin nice and smooth and soft. It's an aloe vera based moisturizer with vitamin A, which encourages healthy skin cell production, vitamin B5, which moisturizes, soothes, heals, and regenerates the skin, vitamin C and E, which prevent damage caused by the sun and has antioxidant properties, organic jojoba oil, which rehydrates skin to ward off dermatitis, avocado oil, which keeps the skin smooth and soft, rosehip seed oil, which regenerates skin cells and repair damaged skin tissue. This moisturizer has no synthetics, no silicones, no plastics, or no glycerin. It is vegan, paraben, and phthalate free. This moisturizer is good for all skin types, but it's best for dry skin, which thank the Lord, because I have really dry skin, but I'll tell you guys all about that in a second. This can also help oily skin by balancing it out and help reduce grease and oil buildup. The moisturizer itself is 6 ounces. This moisturizer does retail for $24.99, which yes, it is pricey, but I think it is worth it, which I will explain that all in a second. So one thing that really caught my eye about this product was the packaging. This is what it looked like when it arrived in the mail. Obviously it was in a different box to keep it all safe, but this is the front of the box. It just says Raw Chemistry, and then on the back of this it just has all their socials, and I'm assuming this is like their customer service phone number. And then you slide the sleeve off, and then it's like this really nice black packaging with Raw Chemistry again. And then you open it up, and here is where the moisturizer sits. The moisturizer itself is in really nice packaging. This is like glass here on the bottom, and then this up here is just like a nice, it's like a plastic top, but it's like a good, not heavy, but like you can tell it's sturdy and won't break if you dropped it. And then on the front here it just says Raw Chemistry, and then right here it just says Revival Moisturizer. So this is what the cream looks like when you open it. It is just your basic white cream. It's, you know, nothing special. Doesn't really have a scent. I feel like it kind of smells like avocado a little bit, but it's nothing crazy, nothing too strong, nothing that'll irritate your skin or your eyes or bother your nose. This is what the cream looks like when you open it up. It kind of has like an avocado scent. It's nothing crazy. It is a very lightweight moisturizer, and it just goes onto the skin very nicely. It's very lightweight. You don't feel it at all. When I use this moisturizer, I use it in the morning and at night. On their website, it said that it works just as well if you use it after toning at night. I kind of just like to do what works best for you. When I did use this, my skin did break out a little bit, but I think it was honestly because I had bought a new moisturizer and was using that, and then quickly got this one, so I feel like I didn't, you know, give my skin enough like transition period between the two, so that was kind of causing breakouts, because once I started using this one daily, my skin was getting used to it and wasn't breaking out. I started seeing results with this moisturizer within about a week, using it 2 times a day. My under eyes this winter have been the most dry. I don't really know why. And my nose will always be a problem area because it's allergy season now, so I'm going to be blowing my nose more, and that just irritates it and makes it more dry. But it is a little less dry when I use this moisturizer, which is good. it will just always be dry. My cheeks have also been not as dry and tight. That's what I also like about it, is my skin doesn't feel tight, it feels nice and smooth. I definitely think that this lives up to its claims because I've noticed results. I've noticed my skin just feeling softer and smoother and hydrated and everything like that, which is what I've been looking for in a moisturizer for a very long time. A little bit does go a long way with this. I've had this for about a month and I've barely made a dent in it, so that's why I totally think it's worth the money. And like I said, I've been using this twice a day, haven't made a dent, so I think $24.99 is a pretty okay price. When I was on their website making notes for this video, actually it kept saying like if you sign up you can get alerts for when there's sales and discounts and all that stuff, so I would definitely say check this out. It's definitely worth the money. It's a great moisturizer and it's made with all natural ingredients, which is nice to know. And that is it for this review. Thank you so much, Raw Chemistry, for sending me this awesome moisturizer. I really have been enjoying it. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link down below in the description box. Like I said in the intro, I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that, so check it out if you want to try it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see me do in the near future, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!